Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn a very interesting story. The name of the story is Look Before You Leap. Look Before You Leap is a famous proverb which means that we should think twice, 2-3 times before doing anything. So let's start the story. Once there was a beautiful little pond full of life. Full of life means full of fishes, insects, and colorful water lilies. And there lived two little frogs in the pond. The frogs were best friends, close friends. The frogs were very happy to live there because they had plenty of food to eat. Good place to play all the day. How do they play, They jumped from lily pad to lily pad. Means from one lily pad to another lily pad. They were jumping full day and diving in the pond all the day. So they were the happiest little frogs in the world. And the frogs loved rainy season very much. But after rainy season, winter season comes. Then it was cold. And the two frogs, then also they found very cozy warm places to rest near the pond. In winter, frogs, what they do? They spend their time sleeping and resting whole day. After winter season comes summer season. Now summer season started. Now the days became very hot. Now what happened? Because of the hot sunlight, the pond started drying up. The lilies started drying up. And there were only few insects in the pond. The pond was slowly it was drying up due to hot sun. Now these two frogs, these two friends, they were very much worried. Oh, they were saying, oh, the pond is drying up. The water will finish. Then what shall we do? How shall we live? We will not get anything to eat. So what to do? We should find other place where there is plenty of water and food. And in this way, the two frogs, they decided to go out from this pond, to travel in the hot sun and find a good place to live where there is lot of water and food to eat. So they started hopping. They hopped and hopped and hopped. They traveled a long distance in the hot sun. They became very tired. But just then what happened? They saw a well. There was a high circular wall around the well. The two frogs hopped upon the wall to see inside. They saw that well was very deep and there was water left at the bottom of the well. They were very happy and they began to jump. And they started saying, oh yes, we are very fortunate. Thank God we found this well. Our problem is solved. We have found a very nice home. Come on, let's jump inside together. Come on, 1, 2, come on, let's jump. Now, the one frog who was very thoughtful, he was wise. He said, no, let's think. Don't live inside, don't jump. See, there is a problem. I can see the problem. The other frog said, what is the problem? We can easily jump inside and there is lot of water. But the wise frog said, no, it is easy to jump inside. But see that there is only some water at the bottom of the well. And this well is also going to dry soon. And if we will jump inside and the well will dry up, then how can we come out? Because the well is very deep We can't jump out and we can't able to leave the well. Oh, the other frog said, yes, yes. Friend, you are right. We should not jump and we should find a safe place to live. So, let's travel and find out a good place to live. And in this way, the two friends started hopping to look for a safe shelter. So, this is the story of two friends, two frogs. So, children, what is the moral of the story? Yes, look before you leap. Name of the lesson is that only. What is the meaning? We should think before doing anything, just like these smart frogs. Okay?